Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to find the exact value of each expression using coterminal angles. We're going to start with the cosecant of negative 300 degrees, and what I'm going to do is plot negative 300 degrees in standard position. So it'll be a positive x-axis for the initial side, and the terminal side will be in quadrant number 1 with a clockwise rotation. What I need to find then is the angle that is counterclockwise rotation, which would be the coterminal angle. This can be found by taking one full revolution, which is 360 degrees, and taking away from it 300 degrees to give us a difference of 60 degrees. This means that cosecant of negative 300 degrees is equal to cosecant of 60 degrees because they both have the same initial side and same terminal side. I'm now going to go over to my picture and draw the triangle that I'll use to solve this. And since this is a 60-degree angle, I know that the opposite side is square root of 3. I know the adjacent side is 1, with the hypotenuse being 2. I'm now going to go ahead and use a reciprocal identity to change cosecant of 60 degrees into 1 over sine of 60 degrees. And then using the triangle to the right, sine of 60 degrees, which is opposite over hypotenuse, is 1 over square root of 3 over 2. Well, 1 over square root of 3 over 2 is equal to 2 over the square root of 3, and then I rationalize the denominator to get 2 times the square root of 3 over 3. Moving on to the secant of negative 7 pi over 4, I'm again going to put negative 7 pi over 4 in standard position on the coordinate plane. I have the initial side on the positive x-axis, terminal side is in quadrant number 1, and again this is going to be a clockwise rotation. I now would like to find the angle that is counterclockwise rotation, which is the coterminal angle, and an acute angle. To do this, I'm going to take one full revolution, which is 2 pi over 1, which can be rewritten as 8 pi over 4, and I'm going to take away from it 7 pi over 4 to give me a difference of pi over 4. So secant of negative 7 pi over 4 is equal to the secant of positive pi over 4 because they both have the same initial side and same terminal side. Now I'm going to put the triangle on my diagram that will assist in helping me find the secant of pi over 4. So this right triangle is my 45, 45, 90 degree triangle, which means that the opposite side to pi over 4 is a value of 1, adjacent side is a value of 1, and the hypotenuse is square root of 2. I'm now going to change secant of pi over 4 into 1 over cosine of pi over 4 using the reciprocal identity. I'm then going to evaluate cosine of pi over 4 using the triangle to the right, which will be 1 over the square root of 2. Simplifying this expression, I then get the square root of 2. All right, guys, good luck.